Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
Gather a 1-2 mm screwdriver, soft cloth, magnifier, and clean workspace before starting. Turn off your Apple Watch and remove any bands before working on the crown. Work on a soft surface and use a magnet tray for screws to avoid loss. Ground yourself to prevent static discharge and handle small parts with steady hands. Inspect the case back for screw type and corrosion before proceeding. Keep a phone nearby to reference diagrams or call for help if needed. Remove the case back screws using a 1-2 mm screwdriver in a counterclockwise motion. Use gentle prying to lift the case back evenly to expose internal components safely. Gently coax the crown assembly out, noting the orientation for correct reassembly later. Avoid pulling on flex cables or the Taptic engine while extracting the crown. If resistance is high, stop and reassess to prevent damage to delicate parts. Place removed components in labeled compartments to keep track of their position. Install the new crown assembly aligned with the internal notch before reseating the case back. Tighten screws finger tight, then snug with a screwdriver. Do not over-tighten to avoid stripping. Power on and run a digital crown calibration test to confirm smooth rotation and functionality. Reattach bands and inspect the water resistance seal for proper seating. If the crown feels stiff or intermittent, open the case and verify alignment and debris removal. Consider professional service if water resistance.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.